those of us who are getting older, we want to know, how do we keep this going? Do you have any words of wisdom?
Yes. Yeah. It turns out there's very clear data on this. And it's wonderful because the answer is challenging the brain. What the brain is trying to do is develop an internal model of the world and say, okay, I got it. I know how this works. And then it doesn't have to do any more change. That's all it's trying to do, is get to a point where it doesn't have to change anymore. And one of the interesting things about the pandemic has been that all of us got knocked off our hamster wheels back in early 2020. And we've had a lot of brain changes since then, just predicated on needing to figure out what the heck's going on and how to get food in our fridge and what we want to do with our jobs and our lives and how to do things on Zoom and so on. But the key is, as one gets older, one has to try harder and harder to seek novelty, to avoid one's own dogma, to figure out how to celebrate possibility and try new things constantly, and new things that are in between the levels of frustrating but achievable. So it can't be something that's too easy. And obviously, if it's too difficult, it doesn't mean anything to the brain. But so people will ask me all the time, what about, should I do Sudoku or should I do crossword puzzles? The answer is sure, until you get good at it, and then stop it and do something else. So that's the key.